I wonder how long it's gonna take all the bits though.
The captain!
The captain? He's here? Oh, he is the captain. He drove all the others off. Sorry, Captain. You're late to the party. Hello. Is Peg Leg around? Well, I think I found some of the seagulls.
Hey, you guys, there's still crumbs on our ceiling. Come on, guys. Any takers?
Ooh, who's this fella?
You're pretty.
He's a new
look
one.
at his beak.
Yeah, it's very gray.
Wow. Oh. Can I have the cute in, Mr. Seagull?
You want me to take it from this end?
Oh, okay. Thank you. You heard me.
Nice.
Ah. Very accommodating of you. Oh my god, this is so cool.
This was an excellent idea, Jen.
This guy is just making noise over here.
That's Grumpy Gus.
That's Grumpy Gus.
Just attacked another bird.
The parking space hawk. Adam.
Hello.
Mr. Seagull.
That's that cool looking guy again.
Yeah.
What do you name for him?
Mr. Seagull.
Mr. Seagull. I can see it. You like black feet too.
Mm-hmm.
It's so weird you can see through their feet.
Mm-hmm. Hey, pretty bird. I like this guy.
He's cool.
He's really pretty.
He's patient too with the small crumbs.
Mm-hmm. Glad he's cleaning off our
Roof for us.
our sunroof for us.
Right.
I still hear him up there.
Yeah, he's still up there.
He's got like a crumb in his mouth.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
And Mr. Seagull. He seems pleased.
He's like, these are mine. These are my crumbs. I deserve them.
This is my car.
Give them to me.
You can hear him like pacing around him.